In this video, we're going to discuss specific installation details that are key to the success of a board and batten vinyl cladding project. Well, first, because these types of panels expand and contract through temperature changes, they must have room to move. And because there may be differing lengths of panels, they may not all expand and contract at the same time or at the same rate. Therefore, there must be a channel at the top of the panels as well as a channel at the bottom of the panels. The same would hold true around windows and doors and any obstructions, things like that. The channel helps conceal the movement of the panels while giving it room to do so. And it's also a good idea to always drill about a 3/16 inch diameter weep hole every 24 inches or so in the bottom of the channel to help the water escape that may get in the channel more quickly. Next, when measuring for the length or height of the panel, measure so that you leave a minimum 1/4 inch gap in the top channel and a minimum of 3/8 of an inch in the bottom channel. And leave these gaps no matter what the temperature is at the time of the installation or how tall or long the panels are. With a panel cut, install it, lifting it out of the bottom channel by that 3/8 of an inch. Check at the top to be sure you still have the 1/4 inch gap and place a nail in the top of one of the upper slots of the panel. This nail must be loose, so leave about the thickness of a dime between the head of the nail and the panel. Having the nail at the top of a slot at the top of the panel will allow gravity to help with the expansion of the panel and keep the panel from sliding down into the bottom of the channel. Finish nailing the panel at 12-inch increments. All the rest of the nails must be in the center of the slots, none at the top or the bottom of the slots, and all must be loose. Double check to make sure that you have the appropriate gaps and make sure that the panels will slide up and down easily. When installing the board and batten panels around things like windows or doors, make sure to leave a 1/4 inch gap for the movement of the panel. Also, along the jambs or sides of the windows or doors, you're going to need to secure the cut area of the panel. So the way to do that is to first, before you install the panel, install a piece of finish trim inside the channel along the sides of the windows or doors, and then along the cut edge of the panel, using a snap lock tool, create lugs in that cut edge of the panel about every 6 inches or so. These lugs will snap into that finish trim and secure this cut edge of the panel. Use this same technique at the end of the walls or wherever the panels terminate. Keep in mind that you may need to shim out the finish trim from time to time to keep the profile correct.